I made a video in December 2020 that was breaking down my thoughts on the new eBay managed payment system before I actually registered. And this video happens to be my most viewed video on this channel. I'm going to be going through and answering a lot of the comments that you guys have posted on this video. You know, comments like this where it says we need a petition so that we can get paid from PayPal again. Comments like these new eBay fees are tricky. I feel like I'm being ripped off. I'm done with eBay because of this change. A lot of you want to quit selling on eBay, and I'm just going to be giving you my thoughts on what I think about it. So make sure you watch this whole video if you've started selling on eBay or if you're considering to. Let's get right into it. All right, so let me give you a quick background on exactly what eBay managed payments are, because I put a poll on my community tab the other day where I asked you guys, do you want me to give you guys an updated video? And 73% of you said yes, that would be very helpful. And 12% of you said you don't know what eBay managed payments are. So I just want to quickly give you a rundown of exactly what it is before I get into what I've noticed over the past 3 months of me using it. So eBay managed payment system, which I might refer to as EMP throughout this video because it's a bit of a mouthful to say every single time, is basically eBay's way of collecting the money that you make as a seller. So eBay and PayPal have split ways, and what that means is that eBay are going to be responsible for collecting all the money that you make as a seller, and PayPal is not going to be involved anymore. So for the many years that I've been selling on eBay from the beginning, I've always used PayPal when it comes to receiving the money that I make from all of my customers, and I basically used it as a second bank account because I kept all of my funds in there. Whenever I'd make money, I'll keep all the money there, and then whenever I needed to send money to my suppliers, I would always use my PayPal account to send the money to my suppliers. And I paid all of my fees, I paid all of my, postage and packaging. Everything was done through my PayPal account. It was just a little bit easier that way. So I'm very used to PayPal. I've been selling on eBay now for the past 10 years, and PayPal has been a big part of my journey so far. So for the past 3 months, I haven't been using PayPal any longer for my eBay businesses. I've been using it for my Shopify businesses and stuff like that, but not for my eBay businesses anymore. And what happens is that whenever a customer buys something through my eBay store, eBay collect the money and then they pay me out every single day or every other day. But I'm going to go into a little bit more detail later on about the payouts and how I found it, because I've set my account up for eBay to pay me every single day. So that's a quick summary on exactly what's happening for anyone out there that's not aware. So one of the biggest complaints that I've noticed on the comments on my previous video is that a lot of people are complaining about the fact that when it came to them receiving their money through PayPal, they would get it instantly, because when a customer purchased something, the money would go straight into your PayPal account, and then you're going to be able to spend that money any way you want. You can transfer it to your bank account, you can spend it from your PayPal account. However, now the way that it works with the EMP system is that when a customer buys something through your eBay store, eBay are going to hold all that money, and then you're going to be able to see it in your pending balance. And then what's going to happen is that you're going to be able to set up, your payout frequency, whether you want to do daily or weekly, and then eBay are going to pay you out depending on what you choose. So I've chosen the daily payout option, which means that eBay are going to pay the money directly into my bank account every single day. So every day when I make a sale, eBay are going to hold all that money, and then they're going to pay me out automatically into my bank account every single day. So far, to be honest with you guys, I've not had any issues. Every single day in my bank account for the past 3 months, I've had daily payouts coming through with no issues whatsoever. So quickly moving on to one negative that I've noticed, which is not a major negative, but I just want to quickly state this point before I move on to another thing that I've noticed with the EMP system, is that when it comes to me managing my transactions as a business owner, because obviously you have to keep track of your expenses, your revenues, everything like that, I had a certain process in place. I used to look at my revenue, I used to look at the money that was coming in from different places, and I used to look at the PayPal reports that I used to download or export from PayPal, and that's how I used to do my monthly bookkeeping. However, now that things have changed and I'm no longer able to export the reports from PayPal, I've completely had to change the way that I do my bookkeeping, and that's created a little bit of a headache for me because I'm now having to go into eBay and export a file from eBay and look at the transactions, and things are a lot different. The fees are slightly different. So the way that I'm going to do things when it comes to bookkeeping is slightly different. So this now brings me on to the sponsors of today's video, which is Awesome. And Awesome is a bookkeeping and accounting software and service that essentially helps, business sellers like you and me that sell through places like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, any e-commerce platform. And I don't really do that many brand deals on this channel, but the reason why I've specifically partnered up with Awesome is because they mainly focus on e-commerce sellers, and I know that you guys will definitely find a benefit in using a service like Awesome, because when changes like this happen in business, you don't want to have to worry about how you're going to manage all the transactions, how you're going to do your bookkeeping, how you're going to have to change certain spreadsheets that you might be using. That's a bit of a headache. With Awesome, what you'll get is a personal and dedicated expert accountant that will be there for you if you need to communicate with them via a live chat. You're also going to get a market leading automated web and mobile app, and you're also going to be able to integrate your eBay accounts, your bank accounts, your Amazon accounts, wherever you're selling selling through, you're going to be able to integrate it with Awesom's platform. And with that, you're going to be able to export any reports, any profit and loss reports, any report that you need to know as a business owner so that you can make adjustments when it comes to running your business. Awesome are going to be able to calculate all of this for you and make it a little bit easier. Awesome are trusted by over 7,500 different customers worldwide, and they are also platinum partners with Xero, which is one of the biggest accounting softwares in the world. If you want to sign up to Awesome, make sure that you use the link down below, because you're going to be able to get £100 off your first month if you do want to sign up with any one of their services. They've got various different packages depending on how big your eBay business is. If you're a small business and you're doing a few transactions every single month, you're also going to be able to sign up with Awesome, and they're going to be able to tell you whether or not you're still making profit. So make sure that you use that link down below. Make sure that you let them know that you came through Success with Sam. Thank you again, Awesome, for sponsoring this video. Let's get back into it. One of the comments that I got a lot of on the previous video is about the fees. A lot of people are worried about the fact that the fees that they used to get charged through PayPal is going to be a lot less than what they're going to now be charged through eBay. But that isn't really the case. You know, there might be some slight changes here and there, but it all depends on what category you're selling in and stuff like that. But because I'm selling in the consumer electronics niche on one of my eBay stores, I was able to work out exactly, you know, how much roughly I was being charged before and how much I'm being charged now. Before I moved over to EMP and I was just using PayPal, I used to pay an eBay fee, and I would also have to pay a fee to PayPal for them to be able to process the transaction. So the eBay fee was charged at 9.6% and the PayPal fee was 2.2% plus a 20p fixed fee that I would always have to pay whenever I'd sell an item. So if we're looking at an item that costs £20, that means that I had to pay around £2.56 every single time I sold an item on eBay. However, the fees that I have to pay now through the eBay managed payment system, which is a final value fee with a fixed amount of 30p. The final value fee is 9% plus the 30p every single time I sell an item, which means that if I sell an item for £20 on my eBay store, I'm only being charged £2.10. So as we can see, I'm saving around 40p every single time I sell an item. But do bear in mind, guys, that this is only based on my category, which is the consumer electronics category. But double check your own, make sure that you have a look at how much the fee is going to be for your own one, because it all depends on what items you're selling, what, you know, category the item's based in. So you can double check that on eBay's website. I might link the direct website for you to double check the fees down below. So have a look at that after you finish watching this video. So to be very honest with you guys, I haven't really noticed the major difference between using PayPal or the eBay managed payment system. You know, the only difference is that I have to make some changes to the way that I do my bookkeeping, and I have to wait an extra day for me to receive my money into my bank account. But to be very honest with you, it doesn't really matter, because I don't necessarily need all my money today. I can wait a day, 2 days, or even a week for my money to come in. It's fine for me. And a lot of you also are complaining about the fact that eBay are only doing this so that they have more money. But that's a good thing for us eBay sellers, because the more money that eBay is able to make from all of the fees that they're going to be charging us, that means that they're going to be able to put it back into the platform, better employees, more customer service agents, better website. They're going to be able to maybe open up fulfillment centers and compete with Amazon. So these are the things that you need to think about if you are someone that has built up a business on eBay. You shouldn't see it as a negative thing. You should just see it as eBay trying to develop their platform, their services, the development side of things. So for me personally, my final thoughts is that I don't mind the eBay managed payment system. I've been using it now for 3 months. I haven't had any issues with the payouts. Completely happy. So that's basically my thoughts on the new eBay managed payment system. I've got another video coming out real soon that's going to be breaking down, you know, various other things that you guys need to know about all of the different updates that are going to be coming to eBay very soon. So make sure that you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know whenever I've released these videos. Don't forget to press the like button if you found any value in this video, and comment down below and let me know what you think. You know, do you like the eBay managed payment system? Do you not like it? Is it a headache, or do you not mind it? You know, let me know down below if you've changed your mind. If you commented on my last video and you was complaining, put your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.